TalentLMS lets you customize your portal's appearance to match your branding and create a more engaging experience for your learners. Let's jump right in and add some personality to your portal. Log in as an administrator and go to the Portal tab under Account and Settings. Here, you can update your portal's name and description, change your domain name, or customize your own domain to better reflect your brand. Want to strengthen brand recognition and enhance the learner experience? Start by uploading your logo and a custom favicon, making sure they meet the size and file format requirements. Your TalentLMS portal comes with a default theme, Fun Blue, which can't be edited. To personalize your portal, select from existing themes or create your own. Click Add Theme, choose a color or enter a hex code, name your theme, and click Save. Your homepage is the first thing learners see, so let's make it engaging and brand aligned. You can feature courses, banners, text, and media to create a more personalized learning environment. Let's start by adding a banner. Enter a headline and subtitle, then upload your banner image. If you want a call to action button, paste a URL and select its placement. Click Save and your banner appears on your homepage. Next, let's add a text and media section. Enter a headline and subtitle, type your text, then switch to the Media tab to upload an image or video. If you upload an image, you can zoom in, flip it horizontally or vertically, and adjust it as needed. Once you're happy with it, click Save to apply your updates. Now, let's add a new item to the menu. Click the Edit menu icon and select Add Menu Item. You can create a page or a link. Let's go with a link. Click the toggle switch, enter a title, paste the URL, and choose whether it should be visible to guests or only to registered users. Click Save, and your menu item is ready. Once your homepage is fully customized, you can preview it by clicking the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Don't forget to click Publish to make your homepage live. Customization isn't just for your main portal. Each branch can have its own URL, logo, homepage, and theme, giving you unique branding opportunities for different parts of your organization. TalentLMS customization helps you create a branded, engaging, and seamless learning experience. Tailor your training portal to match your organization's needs and enhance the learner journey effortlessly.